Namaste all of you. Today I am going to make tomato rice. For that I am using here 2 medium sized tomatoes, 1 onion and some curry leaves and chillies, and this is cooking oil, and here some spices are there, and you can see here cooked rice. And also I am using I am not using garlic or ginger. Instead of I am using dry chilli and garlic paste. So now I will start. Now we will put some oil. So this much oil is enough. Now I am putting mustard seeds, little mustard seeds, then zira, now I am putting the onion, curry leaves, as you can see that onions are cooked. Now we will add the tomatoes, and green chillies, but I am adding the turmeric powder, then salt according to your taste you can add. I am not using chili powder as I am using dry chili and garlic paste. So let the tomatoes cook nicely. After that I am going to add the garlic and the chili paste. Now you can see the tomatoes, they became very soft. Put the flame low, and now I am going to add this garlic and red chili, dry chili paste. Mix it well. Let it cook for 2 minutes. After that I am going to add the rice. Now I am going to add the rice. So after mixing rice with the tomato and masalas, you will see it will look like this. So let it cook for another 2 minutes more. Now you can see my tomato rice is ready. I hope you all will like this. Thank you, dear friends.